Seniors, these 3 foods rebuild leg muscles in just 12 hours. Sounds impossible, right? But stay with me, because the science and stories behind them will completely change how you look at aging. You're about to discover 3 natural power foods that don't just support leg muscles, but ignite them. Even if you're over 60 and struggling with weakness, cramps, or slow mobility. This isn't another supplement ad or magic trick. It's based on how real seniors have reversed years of muscle loss simply by adding these foods into their daily routine. No gym, no pills, just nature. Let's start with a story. Meet Joe, 67, a retired firefighter. He began noticing serious weakness in his legs. Stairs felt like mountains. Then his doctor told him about beetroot. Yes, the earthy root vegetable. It's packed with nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in your body, increasing blood flow to your muscles. Within 12 hours of consistent consumption, Joe felt his legs less heavy and more responsive. It's not magic, it's better circulation, more oxygen, and faster muscle repair. Second is something most people throw away: egg yolks. Seniors are often told to avoid cholesterol, but did you know egg yolks contain choline, vitamin D, and bioavailable protein, a trio critical for muscle retention? Martha, a 72-year-old yoga teacher, started eating 2 boiled eggs each morning, and within a week, she noticed her leg tremors faded and her balance improved. Science backs this. Older adults absorb muscle-building nutrients from eggs better than from powders or bars. The third food is rarely discussed, yet ancient cultures swore by it: bone broth. Collagen, glycine, and proline in broth rebuild connective tissue, which supports and cushions leg muscles. Frank, 75, couldn't walk his dog for more than 5 minutes. But after sipping a mug of bone broth nightly, his knees stopped clicking and his endurance came back. Bone broth doesn't just feed muscles, it rebuilds what holds them together. Now, how do you use this in real life? Start your morning with boiled eggs, blend a beetroot smoothie at noon, and sip warm bone broth after dinner. Keep this up for just 2 days and feel the difference. Don't wait for your muscles to vanish. These foods are your toolkit to rebuild strength and reclaim mobility. Quick checklist: beets for blood flow, egg yolks for muscle fuel, bone broth for structure. The best part? No side effects, no prescriptions, just whole, real food you can find in any store. You don't need a trainer or a gym, just your kitchen. You might think, it's too late for me. But research shows that even after 60, your muscles are ready to respond, if you give them the right fuel. The body wants to heal, and these foods act as the signal to start rebuilding what time has taken away. So if you've ever feared losing your independence, please, don't scroll away. Rebuilding strength doesn't start in a gym, it starts at your next meal. Try this for 48 hours. Walk a little. Notice the change. And if it works for Joe, Martha, and Frank, it can definitely work for you.